Welcome to another episode of Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel, I try to bring you guys a variety of different tech-related content. So, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do, make sure you hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when I release new content. In today's video, we're going to set up and install the August Smart Lock Pro, 3rd generation. Alright guys, so I'm working with the August Smart Lock Pro and Connect 3rd generation combo. Currently, at the time of this video, it's selling on Amazon for about $215, and I'll put an Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below if you're interested. Now, I'm not going to do an unboxing or cover the feature set. If you're interested in this information, there are a ton of good videos already out there on YouTube. What I'm going to focus on today is the physical installation and setup in the August Home app. So that being said, you're going to need to download the August Home app to your mobile device, and you're going to need a screwdriver for the physical installation. Let's get started with that process. The first part of the process is to secure the key part of the lock on the exterior part of the door using the supplied adhesive tape. Now that we have the outdoor part of the lock secured with the supplied tape and we have all our pieces ready to go, it's time to remove the inside part of the deadbolt with just a simple Phillips head screwdriver by removing the 2 screws. It's very important to make sure that your lock is in the unlocked position before removing that back part. Next, you're going to take the supplied mounting bracket that came with the August Smart Lock and use the same 2 screws and install the mounting plate onto the door. Next, using one of the supplied adapters, the kit comes with a yellow adapter, a green adapter, and a blue adapter depending on your door lock. Now, if you don't know which one to use, just try all 3 until you have the one with the small nub facing upward. So for me, it happens to be the blue adapter. Once the blue adapter has been installed, or in this case, whatever adapter fits your lock, pick up the August Smart Lock, and on the back side, open up the flanges, just like that, and just place the lock over the top of the mounting bracket and secure by closing down the flanges. Next, remove the faceplate by pressing in on the bottom logo to expose the batteries and remove the battery isolator tape, and you'll see now that the lock has been activated. Replace the cover plate back onto the lock. Okay, so next it's time to install the door sense mechanism. Now it's a little pill-shaped device which typically should be installed within 1.5 inches from the door edge, as well as 1.5 inches above the actual deadbolt. Now, in a typical situation, I said you only need a Phillips head screwdriver, but because I don't have a flat situation here, I have to go with an alternate installation process. So I'm going to remove the actual door sense from the center of the mechanism. And I'm going to have to mount it recessed here above the striker plate within 1.5 inches centered on the frame. So I'm going to get that hole drilled now. I need to use a 5/8 drill bit, and I have to go 1/2 inch deep into the door frame. I'll be right back once the hole is drilled. Okay guys, I now have the hole drilled in place, and I'm going to insert the door sense flush into the hole. Just like that. Now, if it's a little snug, you can take an actual rubber mallet with a soft piece of wood and give it a couple of light taps. Okay guys, now that the physical installation of the lock is completed, it's time to set it up using the August Home app. So I'm going to click on Set Up a Smart Lock, and we have the Smart Lock Pro 3rd generation. We're going to click Start. I've removed the adhesive tape from the outside key part of the door, so we're going to continue. I've already installed the door sense, so we're going to continue. And we're going to begin setup. So now it's scanning, looking for my lock. Okay, I'm going to name the house. I'm going to call it Home. And it wants me to upload a photo of the house. There we go. We'll choose that. And we'll click Continue. Which door are you attaching this to? Front door, that's fine. We're going to click Continue. Looking for firmware updates. And now it's updating the firmware. Setup will resume once the update has been completed. Perfect. We're going to click Continue. We're going to calibrate both the door and the door sense since we installed it, but you have the option, if you did not install the door sense, to calibrate just the lock only, but we're going to do both. So it says close the door and leave the door unlocked, which it is. And press OK, door is closed and unlocked. Next, turn the lock by hand until the door is fully locked. OK, door is locked. Next, turn the lock by hand until the door is fully unlocked. OK, door is unlocked. Next, open the door until it's wide open enough to walk through the door. OK, door is wide open. Next, hold the door so that it is slightly ajar, just far enough for the deadbolt to clear the door frame. OK, door is ajar. Finally, close the door one more time, leaving the door unlocked. OK, door is closed and unlocked. And you can see that the door is calibrating, and we're done. The door has been successfully calibrated. Now we have the option of setting up HomeKit, but I will do that in a separate video. We're also going to skip the connect part. I will do that in a separate video as well. And congratulations, your lock has been successfully set up. Let's continue. Okay, so now the door is closed and it is unlocked, and that is correct. So if I press this, I should be able to lock the door. And you can see now that the door locked and it is red. Now if I press it again, you see that the door is unlocked, and now we have a green unlock symbol. So that's the installation and setup process for the August Smart Lock Pro. I'll cover the Connect feature in a future video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and use those Amazon affiliate links. I know it doesn't change your price, but it certainly helps out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.